Here's how to make some amazing mushroom and spinach quesadillas for Cinco de Mayo. These are super tasty and really quick to put together. Just roughly chop up the spinach and let's go to a pan where it's been heating on medium heat, bit of olive oil, and then add your sliced and washed mushrooms. Give that a good toss and saute until they have reduced by about half in volume. Then add the garlic and the jalapenos, or if you're using Thai chilies, you can use that as well. Mix that up and then taste and adjust for salt and pepper. We can set this aside for now when most of that water has cooked out, and then add in the spinach. Just a couple of minutes and they should be wilted. And then you can return the mushrooms with the spinach into that pan, toss it up, add some cream cheese in here. This is the creamy variety. It's gonna really help because that's gonna be sitting in the middle of our two cheeses in the quesadilla. So now we have two types of cheeses here. We have a cumin spiked Gouda and then just some mozzarella. Now if I could have found Chihuahua cheese that traditionally is used to make quesadillas, I would have used it. But it's very hard to find it where I am. That's why I just went completely off the books and used mozzarella and this cumin spiked Gouda instead, along with a bit of that cream cheese. But the intention was to make some great cheesy quesadillas. Just add a bit of cheese. I'm just starting with the Gouda for now. And then a generous portion of that mushroom spinach mixture. Then top that up with mozzarella. Fold it up and now go to the pan. And now just toast them with some oil until they're nicely golden brown on each side. Cook them gently so that the cheese has enough heat to melt completely, and you can always keep them warm in an oven heated around 180 degrees Fahrenheit. If you liked how these quesadillas turned out, then check out how to make refried beans from scratch down below.